Finally, a floor coating that simplifies your floor care system while producing world-class results. World-class, ultra-high-speed sealer finish features a deep wet gloss with extended gloss retention and exceptional wearability. Enhanced leveling with maximum resistance to soiling, black heel marks, and scuffing. The Integrated Fusion Polymer technology produces a tightness and density superior to other coatings, resulting in a finish that does not require daily burnishing. Just once or twice a week will result in a consistent, deep, brilliant gloss.